First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the topic called boards and streams, and it is class 2. In previous class, we have learned the basic concept of boards and streams and solved some questions. And most of the questions we have solved, and we left only few questions that related to this topic we are going to solve for today. First, before starting that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. Here, first concept we see here is a distance constant. So distance constant means we equate distances. What I mean to say is, let's see with the question. Ramesh can row a certain distance downstream. Okay, downstream in 6 hours and returns the same distance in 9 hours. If the speed of the if the stream flow at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour, find the speed of the Ramesh in still water. Here stream flow means S is given as 3 kilometers per hour. What we need to find is speed of the Ramesh in still water. We need to find the value of M. Here the distances are same. Distances same means distance is equals to speed into time. Here given that downstream speed and the time 6 hours. Downstream speed means m plus s into 6. This is distance. Speed into time. This is speed into time is equals to another part is given that returns. It is downstream. So in return means upstream. Upstream in 9 hours. So upstream speed m minus s into 9 hours means into 9. So by this 3 2 times 3 times we have 2m plus this will be as we have 3. So 3 2 times which will be 6. 3m minus 3s means 3 times 9. So what we left is m equals to, this comes this side 15. So m value is 15 kilometers per hour. This is our answer. M value is 15 kilometers per hour. So let's see second question. Arjun can row a certain distance downstream, certain distance in 6 hours and returns the same distance. See, same distance in 9 hours. So we are doing the same as d equals to speed into time. We are equating speed distances. First in downstream, m plus s covers in 6 hours. In another time, upstream, it covers in 9 hours. Okay, if the speed of the Arjun in still water is 12, given that m is 12 kilometers per hour, so 12 plus s into 6 equals to 12 minus s into 6 into 9. This will be 2 times 3 times 24 plus 2s equals to 36 minus 5 times 3s here. So we left with 5s equals to, this comes this side with 12. So S value is 2.4 kilometers per hour. The question is asked about speed of the, find the speed of the stream, which is means find the value of S. We got the value of S as 2.4 kilometers per hour. So answer is option A. Now in this topic we are going to see the concept called average speed. We already learned the concept of average speed in time and distances concept, and now we are going to do in boats and streams. A man can row at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour in still water. Means m is 5 kilometers per hour is given to a certain upstream. So going upstream from one side to other, upstream and back to the starting point. First he goes upstream and returns back in downstream also to the starting point in a river which flows at 2 kilometers per hour. means S value is given as 2 kilometers per hour. So we have M value and S value. What we need to find is find his average speed for the total journey. Here these concepts related to time and distance as like this one. Goes with a speed S1 and returns back with a speed S2. Then the average formula is 2 into S1 into S2 by S1 plus S2. But in this case, first speed is upstream speed. Upstream speed is nothing but M plus S. Okay. And downstream speed which is M minus S. So this is one speed and this is another speed. So these are in into 2 means here 2 divided by sum of these two. So we have values of these are all things. Let's take this as S1 and S2. S1 plus S2. So we have 2 into M plus S which will be 5 plus 2 7 into M minus S which will be 3 divided by sum of these two which will be 10. So we get 7 3 times 21 21 2 times 42 divided by 10. So 4.2 kilometers is the kilometers per hour is the average speed. So the average speed of the total journey is 4.2 kilometers per hour. Let's see one more question and understand this average speed concept. A man can row at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour in still water. So M value is given as 15 kilometers per hour to a certain upstream point. So one place to another place in upstream and back to the starting point and returned back also in the river which flows at 3 kilometers per hour. So S value is given as 3 kilometers per hour. Now what we need to find is average speed. Average speed is equals to average speed equals to uh, same distance with one speed and return backs with another speed. In first S1 speed is nothing but upstream speed. Upstream speed means M plus S. So M plus S speed. In this case, M minus S speed and here M plus S speed. So the formula we have is 2 into S1 into S2 by S1 plus S2. So what we have is 2 into sum of these two which will be 15 plus 3 18 into difference between these two which will be 12 divided by sum of these two which will be 18 plus 12 30. So 3 15 times 2 15 times 3 5 times 3 6 times. What we left is 72 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 2 which means 14.4 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Here the options are wrong. Here we got 14.4 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Let's see some questions. A man can row 5 kilometers in still water means M is 5 kilometers per hour. If the river is running at 1 kilometers per hour, so S is 1 kilometers per hour. It takes 2 hours more in upstream than to go downstream. So it is talking about time. T up and T D, the difference between these two takes 2 hours. So what we need to find is how far is the place. We need to find the value of D. T equals to time is equals to distance by speed. Distance we don't know. Speed upstream means M minus S which will be 5 minus 1 4 minus here distance certain distance here difference sum of these two because it is downstream which will be 5 plus 1 6 equals to 2. Here 24 6 minus 4 2D equals to 24 2 times 48. So D value is 24. So 24 kilometers is the answer, option A. Let's see one more question and final question. A man can row to a place of 48 kilometers distance and back in 4 hours. So he goes to 48 kilometers and comes back. Total time taken is 14 hours. So he goes upstream and he returns back in downstream. Total time taken is 14 hours and the distance is 48 kilometers. Okay, so we have 48 divided by m minus s plus 48 divided by m plus s equals to 14 hours. He finds that he can row 4 kilometers with the stream. Statements here is 4 kilometers. Distance with the stream means m plus s. This is same time. So this is time taken same time as 3 kilometers against the stream means m minus s. So we have a condition this one. So let's make this as m minus s by m plus s equals to 3 by 4. So instead of m minus s, we can write 3x. M plus s, we can write 4x. So 48 divided by m minus s means 3x plus 48 divided by m plus s means 4x. 4 12 times 3, 16 times equals to 14. So 16 plus 12, which will be 28 divided by x equals to 14. 14 2 times. So x value is 2. So m minus s is equals to 3 2 times 6. M plus s value is 4 2 times 8. Now what we need to find is find the rate of the stream. We need to find the value of s. Here m is positive. So difference between these two divided by 2 will be the value of s. S value is difference between these two, which will be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 kilometers per hour is the speed of the stream. Option A is our answer. By this, we have completed the total concept of boats and streams. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.